Hello children, in this video we will learn about the prepositions of place and prepositions of time. Let's see, at, on and in. These are the prepositions that can be used as preposition of place and preposition of time. Let's see the uses of at, on and in as a preposition of place. Children, at is used for a specific place, means it is used for a specific point of place, and on is used for the open surface, and in is used for the enclosed surface. Enclosed place means that is covered area. So we use in for the covered place, we use on for the surface, and we use a at for a point of any place. You see here, at the main entrance. In this example you can see we will meet Anshul at the main entrance. So children, we use at here because it is a point of place. At which place? Main entrance. So at is used for at gate, at the door, at the end, at the first. So we use at for the point of the place. And you see here on the table, Hima placed the book on the table. You see table is the open surface. So we use on for the open surface. And in for the covered area. You see vase, inside the vase, you see in the picture the tulips were inside the picture, inside the vase. So here we use in. So children, I hope this is clear to you. Let's see the prepositions of time. We can use at, on, in as a preposition of time. So children, we use at for a specific time. For example, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 p.m., 4 p.m. Right? And we use in for the months, years or long period. For example, 2 months, 3 months, 2 year, 4 year. We use in. Or we use in for the months also, seasons also, in winter, in summer, like this. And on we use for date, days and special events. For example, on 2nd December, on 15th December, on Sunday, on Monday, on Dashera, on Eid, on Diwali, like this. I hope you understood, children. In the next video, we will learn some more prepositions. Okay, thank you so much.